Today topic is like vendor consignment, uh, vendor consignment intercompany STO process. Okay, in this scenario, what we will do, there is a scenario in which the head office import goods and transfer them to domestic sales company, and then stores of a sales company sell the goods to the customer. Correct. This is a typical cross company purchase or intercompany STO process in the SAP. Right. This is a common business scenario for SAP projects of many large group of customers. However, the special features of this project is that goods purchased by the sales company from that head office adopt the consignment mode. It means that is an intercompany STO of supplier consignment mode. Basically, let me tell you, okay, one of the company, we have already completed the intercompany STO process. One of the company who is going to purchase the goods, one of the company is going to sell the goods. In between this, there is will be a vendor consignment functionalities also. It's going to be add over here. For an example, Sasikala is having a company, is a business entity, is a company code. Belongs to a different business, different company code. We will transfer the goods, right? We will have an intercompany STO process, but in between that also vendor consignment will get added. Okay, vendor consignment functionality will get added. Okay, if I'll come to this particular flow chart is visible, right? Somebody is joining again. Who is this? Basaf? Okay, so in this particular scenario, right, this flow chart is visible. First of all, we need to create the consignment purchase requisition, then we'll create intercompany STO, then we'll create outbound delivery, then we'll go ahead for the goods issue, billing, right? Goods received from the receiving plant, company code plant point of view, inventory stock will get updated. Then goods consumption, it may be a 201K moment type or it may be a 411K moment type. After this, we'll go for the consignment settlement, then we'll go for the vendor payment. Okay, look this, how the process flow will be. Okay, first consignment PR, it will come to intercompany STO, outbound delivery, goods issue, billing, goods shipped, stock definitely will get updated, goods consumption, consignment price settlement, vendor payment. Correct. In this way, we will go ahead for executing this process. So what are the configuration required for this process? That also I'm going to tell you before executing this. Okay, let me go to SPRO, IMG, then metals management, purchasing, then purchase order, then set up stock transfer order, assign delivery type and checking rule. Okay, our supplying plant is, let me open a notepad. Supplying plant will be, mute from your end, guys, mute from your end. Supplying plant is like SAP1, and the receiving plant is HAL1. Okay, over here, let me click on position, document type is NB, and supplying plant is SAP1. Look this. This is the configuration, but over here, look this. Delivery type consignment. Delivery type consignment. Over here, this is the same entry which we know we already entered and we have completed the process, right? Then be document type, supplying plant, delivery type, and checking rule, right? But over here, we have to assign this delivery type consignment is NK. What is NK? NK. Search it. NK. Replenish delivery consignment. Okay, this particular delivery type you need to assign in this particular configurations. Rest of other configurations, how you are completing the configurations you have to do, but you need to assign the delivery type over here. Okay, let's check the stock, if any stocks or any material we have that we can consider. Hmm, I don't think so, but let me create a material. Okay, it will be good because it's quite difficult to check the stocks. Or for an example, we'll check the stock in MB52. Oh, that's quite not possible because there are huge materials I have, right? So let me go to MM01, I'll create a material. Okay, then I'll specify raw metal, whatever may be, finished product, whatever may be, right? Including sales view, we have to create that we know. Hmm? It's receiving, fine. As usual, normal, how we are creating the metal in the same way we have to create. Okay, including sales views. Nothing different for this. Valuation class. Prices, for an example. This much. Save it. Same metal should be extended for supplying plant company code point of view as well, right? Both of the plants, the same metal code should be there. It should be. Then only it is possible to have this STO process. CP1. Okay. Just extending this metal master. Availability check. Come on. Purchasing group. Valuation class. Price. Done. Metal created. I'll check this. I'll check the what? I'll check the metal type settings as well. Quantity value update. Is it updated or not? Position. HL1. It is there. SAP1. It is there. Okay, fine. So basically, Metal Master has been created successfully, that we know. The define shipping data for plants, assign delivery type checking rule, what are the sales organizational structures, including MM organizational structures, shipping point determinations. These are all things we need to do. These are all things we need to do. Okay, for that is the reason. Then only we can have this particular process only by assigning the consignment delivery type as NK. Okay, after then only we can have this particular process, right? So let me upload some stocks, because just now we have created the material, we do not have any stocks, right? Go to T-code Mygo. Guys, 1 minute please. Huh? Okay, let me upload the stocks. The material quantity, for example, storage location, supplying plant should be post it. Done. Let me check the stock now. T-code MMBE. This is the material. Okay. Then supplying plant, receiving plant. Click on execute. I'm not going to pass any storage location. If the stocks will be there, automatically the storage location will be visible. Look this. This is a company level. This is a company code level. HAL. We do not have any stock. This is a company code level. This is having the stock, right? This is the plant level, and this is the storage location level. Okay. But this plant is having this particular company level that we have the stock, which is called supplying plant, which we are going to treat. And over here, basically, this is a receiving company code plant we are going to treat, right? We are treating as. So what we will do now, we will, okay, we will go as, like, for an example, let me close this, it's creating problem. Okay, so Let me go ahead for creating a intercompany STO ME21N. What will this NB document type? Vendor is SAP1 only, which I have created already. Already we use this particular vendor. Then enter purchasing organization, receiving purchasing organization, purchasing group, company code, item category, it is item category should be K. If it is intercompany STO also, but we are including this consignment functionality as well, right? Then enter the material, how much quantity you need to transfer. You need it from the receiving company code perspective point of view. What is the price, plant, and storage location. After entering these all informations, you need to check. Look, this definitely price will won't come because we have entered the item category as K over here, right? Then we can come to this item detail. There will be no condition tab, but shipping tab will be there because it is an intercompany STO process. All over here, the delivery type will come as NK. The delivery type will come as NK. Okay. Replenish delivery consignment. Let me click on check. Before save, that's fine. Consignment info record. We haven't maintained the consignment info record. That is not good. Let me maintain the consignment info record. The first step should be consignment info record always. Okay. Vendor, this is fine. Material, this is fine. Purchasing organization HL1, not only HL. Plant is HL1, and info record category should be always consignment. Info record category consignment. Plant delivery times. How much quantity we don't know. GR based IV. Tax code. GR based IV it is not required because according to the goods receipt we are not going to make the payment. What is the price? This all information you have to enter it. Let me display this info record. Okay. Let me click on check now. Okay. What I'll do, I'll refresh the purchase order transaction. Vendor, org data, item category K, material, quantity, price will come from purchasing info record now. Vendor. Okay. Fine. I'll drag right side. Okay. Purchasing info record will be not visible over here because we are entering the item category K. Shipping details also fine. Fine. Let me click on check. There is no warning message with regards to this purchasing info record because we have maintained successfully. Let me save this purchase order. Okay, perfect. Intercompany STO with vendor consignment document has been created successfully. Intercompany STO consignment or intercompany consignment STO document has been created, which we can call. Okay. After this, what we will do, we'll go ahead for creating an outbound delivery. Outbound delivery T code is VL10B. VL10B. Over here, just remove this calculation rule. Come to this purchase order tab, enter the intercompany STO document over here. Click on execute. Select this line item, click on background. Outbound delivery document has been created successfully, right? Then what we will do, outbound delivery document, it will be visible in the purchase order history tab, right? You can come to purchase order history. Over here, this outbound delivery document is visible successfully. What we will do now, we'll go ahead for creating the post goods issue /n VL02N. We are using two-step process only. Then press enter. Picking tab, come to picking tab, enter the supplying storage location, enter the picked quantity, how much quantity you need to pick. Okay, then click on post goods issue. Okay, if you want to display this post-course issue document, right, definitely you'll get the post-course issue document over here in the purchase order history. Let me refresh the purchase order over here, right? This is here. Moment type is 635. Okay, moment type is 635 in this case. If you want to check the accounting entries, the accounting entries in the goods issue document will get stored. Click on FI documents. No accounting entries. Okay, at the time of what? At the time of like if you are transferring the goods from vendor consignment store, at that point of time only moment like accounting entries will get generated at the time of goods consumption from the consignment store. That is the reason there will be no accounting entries at all. But you need to remember the moment type is 635 over here. Okay, perfect. Okay, M23. So let's go to the stock. Let me refresh the stock. Right, if any changes happen, no, still. Okay, look this. First of all, the goods is not delivered yet. The goods is not delivered yet. Over here, system is showing as a customer consignment because in a STO concept, who is supplying the goods, right? Or who is receiving the goods? Who is receiving is a customer, who is supplying is a vendor. For that is the reason it is coming as a from the supplying plant company point of view, it is showing as a customer consignment. It is showing as a customer consignment. Over here it is order is open order in consignment order. Still it is not received from the receiving company code plant point of view, but yes, it has been got reduced from this receiving supplying company code point of view. It has got reduced, right? But it is showing as a customer consignment. Correct. Right now what we will do now, right now what we will do, we'll go ahead for creating the billing document if it is possible. Let's go PF01. Let's see. Double click on this. Let me go to condition tab. PI01 is missing. PI01. Let me go back now. Okay, let me save this. Billing document created successfully. Right, let me go back. Then go ahead for creating the goods receipt document. Goods receipt document, goods receipt purchase order, right? Goods receipt purchase order. Then what we will do, we'll go ahead for uh, what is the purchase order number? The purchase order number. We'll receive the goods now. Storage location 1000. Check post. In this goods received document also we will check the accounting entries, document information, 5 documents. There is no accounting entries. Perfect. Okay, as we have expected. If I'll come to my purchase order, let me refresh my purchase order. Item detail. Okay, outbound delivery, goods issue and goods receipt has been created. If I'll come to the stock report, let me click on refresh. Okay, which is look this. It is in under in consignment customer consignment. It is in vendor consignment. Whenever we will consume the goods, look this, whenever we will consume the goods with the reference to goods consumption 201K moment type or 11K moment type, automatically the stock will get debited from over here and from over here in this at the same time. At the same time, right? So let me go ahead for making the transactions. So before making the transactions, we need to maintain the condition record in MRM1. I think already it has been maintained, but let me see in KONS. By company code. By company code is HL1, HL, right? It is already maintained. The condition record is already exists. If you need to check MRM3 on HL, click on execute. This is already maintained. When we have completed our consignment process, right? At that point of time only we maintain the same condition record. It will be applicable over here as well. Okay, let's go to let's go for the transfer postings like and consignment to own or goods consumption, right? Go for the T code called transfer posting. First, we will do the transfer posting consignment to own. Okay, for running a 411K movement type. Transfer posting consignment to own. It means system will pick the stock from consignment store to and it will keep in our inventory. Okay, enter the material. How much quantity? For an example, 20 quantity. Storage location. Okay, plant is HL1. Press enter. Then special stock indicator will be K only, and we need to enter the vendor. Okay, click on check. Enter transfer post storage location transfer posting also. Okay, track right hand side. You will get the storage and transfer posting as well. This one. This one. Okay. Click on check once. Click on post. You can check the accounting entries that we know. What will the accounting entries? Consignment payable account has been credited, and no, sorry, consignment payable. So I'll tell you. Forgot that accounting entries. Consignment payable has been credited and debited, and sorry, KON. Consignment payable account has been credited. Inventory account has been debited. Right. This is the accounting entries in the normal, in the normal consignment process. Right now we'll go for the goods issue also. Other documents. So let's post this goods issue as well. P20 no 201K. Okay. Goods issue from the consignment. So this one. Any one of the document also you can post it. I'm just posting it for the learning purpose right now. This is for, let me make it for 40 quantity. Storage location is 1000 and cost center this one. Plant is HL1. Press enter. You need to enter the vendor as well. System will ask to enter the vendor. Okay. And let me click on check. Let me click on post. Over here the accounting entries will be consignment payable account has been credited. Offsetting inventory posting consumption raw account consumption account has been debited. Right. This is the accounting entries we need to remember. Right now the condition record is already maintained. What we will do, we'll go for the price settlement, but before go for the price settlement we need to check the stock. What is the stock? Actually changes, right? Let me click on refresh. Look this. Over here still consignment customer consignment showing is 100 quantity, that is fine, we need to ignore. Over here vendor consignment we have 100 quantity and 20 for 40 quantity we have transferred it to the make it the goods consumption, and another 20 quantity we have taken into our inventory. Okay, so let's go ahead for price settlement right now. MRKO. MRKO. Okay, over here we can pass the company code or some other fields also values. If you want to pass, you can pass and uncheck the pipeline. Select only consignment. Select settle. It does not settles. Execute it. The two different document has been posted successfully. Two different document has been posted successfully. One is for 20 quantity, which is called a consignment to own transfer posting. One is a 40 quantity for the goods consumption with 201K moment type. This is a 411K moment type. And always we need to know that the values will come calculate from the purchasing info record. For that is the reason purchasing info record is mandatory in the consignment and pipeline process. Okay. And this is a FI like a MRCO price settlement document has been generated successfully. You can click on this. You will come to know what are the price settlement document has been generated and what are the accounting entries are. Okay. So if I come to the like stock report right now, stock report not like it will know there will no changes. Okay, this is the completely consignment intercompany STO with consignment process. Clear? Any questions? Anything if you are having doubt where you are not able to understand, right? How we have replicated the process and all. Guys, any question? Shashikala, Prasav, Arvind?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, first, when we receive goods from the vendor, in a
Mhm.
vendor consignment, we will store it, no, sir.
Definitely, we are
So,
storing over here only. Let me make it over here only. It is getting stored, right?
yes,
In the receiving
uh,
company code plant. Hmm?
yes. For sometimes we directly send to the production team, like um, from the vendor
Production team.
consignment.
Production team.
Directly you can send to the production, no, without like storing our
That's a goods.
in.
No, 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 no. That is a
Uh,
goods consumable goods process.
mhm.
That is at a item category K. No, it is not an item category. This is account assignment category K.
That is the inside process before the sir has told us. That is
Okay,
the
this is a
consignment
that's a
process.
I said that this is an item category K. That is called account assignment category K. At that point of time, whenever we are going to create a purchase order, okay, it's not a consignment process. It's a consumable procurement process, like capital goods procurement process. At that point of time, we have to specify the account assignment category K. Then system will ask to enter the cost center and like some other informations, and GL account and all. One account like account assignment tab will get generated in the purchase order. Then whenever we will receive, automatically it will go to the respective department. What are the cost center we have entered? Okay.
Okay.
There's an account assignment category K. It's not an item category K. Item category K specifies as a vendor consignment process. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is a completely special process which I have to like given you right now. Okay, which is not part of this course content at all. Okay. So how this particular vendor consignment process can be applicable in the intercompany STO? We should know this. It is not like that ki always it will be a part of real time. All the process, what are the things we are learning right now, but might be according to the business requirement. Okay, some different type of process we need to implement it in the real time. Okay,
Yes.
any questions? Please let me know.